Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can share Steam library with your friends. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so first of all, open up your Steam application on your PC and simply log in with your account. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the Steam store. Now, open up Steam settings by going over to top left corner of the application and then selecting settings inside Steam. A new dialog box will appear in front of you consisting of all of the settings you can tweak to get a smoother experience. Now inside this dialog box, there will be a section named Family. Inside it, check mark the option Authorize Library Sharing. What will happen is that all of your local accounts will start appearing here with the checkbox beside them. After that, check mark the account you want to share the games with and you're done. That's how you can share a Steam library with your friends. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.